So today we're diving into how to fuel your body with foods that make you feel good, look good, and thrive in 2025. So let's talk about what we're putting in our body. Because real talk, you can't glow from inside out if your diet is full of fast food and soda. I'm not saying you can't enjoy your favorite treats, but balance is the key. So today we're diving into how to fuel your body with foods that make you feel good, look good, and thrive in 2025. Okay, so first, let's break down what your plate should look like at most meals. Half of your plate should be colorful vegetables, like spinach, broccoli, peppers, you name it. The more colors, the more nutrients. And then a quarter of your plate should be a lean protein. Think chicken, fish, or any plant-based options like tofu. And the last quarter should be healthy carbs like sweet potatoes, quinoa, or brown rice. And we're not gonna forget our fats, healthy fats that is, like avocado, olive oil, and nuts. Your body needs them, sis. Healthy fats are the secret sauce to glowing skin and staying satisfied longer. Listen, if you're walking around feeling tired, sluggish, or constantly hungry, chances are you are dehydrated, okay? So we want to aim for at least half of your body weight in ounces of water every day. Now, if plain water feels boring, you can spice it up. You can add lemon, cucumber, strawberries, blueberry, any kind of berry, and make it fancy. Hydration does not have to be just basic. Now, let's talk meal prep because life is busy and nobody wants to be caught hungry with no plan, okay? So here's a simple strategy. Pick 1 or 2 proteins, 2 carbs, and a variety of vegetables for the week. Cook them all at once and mix and match throughout the week. So, for example, grilled chicken, roasted salmon, those are your 2 proteins. Then you have quinoa, sweet potatoes, and then sauteed veggies. Boom, you've got meals for days, all right? And you're way less likely to hit up the drive-thru when you've got something ready at home, okay? Now, fueling your body is not about perfection. It's about making choices that make you feel good, okay? So drop me a comment and let me know what's one healthy habit you're adding to your diet in 2025. And let's hold each other accountable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips. And I'll see you in the next episode of Glow and Thrive.